means hard work is the secret of his success. Next, this picture is of Amitabh Bachchan. He is the famous actor, Bollywood actor. I am Amitabh Bachchan. This is Amitabh Bachchan. People consider me one of the best actors in Bollywood. A few years ago, I suffered a huge loss of money and was bankrupted. Yes, bankrupted. Bankrupted means have to not have enough money to pay debts. Means he was now empty handed. He was not having that much balance so that he can give to the bank. Okay, but I did not lose hope. I knew I had the power to come back in life. I had faith in my talents. No wonder I overcome all the difficulties and succeeded. We should never lose faith in our ability to succeed. Yes, from this famous actor, we learn that he was also suffering from the huge loss, but he did not lose hope because he was knowing that he is well talented. So with his talent only, he gets success in his life because of hard work. He did hard work because he was having talent. He is the very famous actor. His acting is very famous now these days. Kaun Banega Crorepati also he is coming, and he is a main anchor in that. How means beautifully he is asking the questions. So he is having the great talent. Because of his talent, he gets success in his life. Next picture is of Mother Teresa. I am Mother Teresa. When I decided to serve the poor in the streets of Kolkata, many opposed me. They thought, being a woman, I could not do much, but I was determined. I could do many things for the poor. We can do great things if we have faith in God and in ourselves. Yes, now who was the Mother Teresa? She was the great social worker. She did a lot for the poor people, those who are living in the slums in the Kolkata. She gave to them food, clothes. Even she was teaching the poor students. She made the houses for them. Means she did a lot for them. But the people, they were opposed from her. They said she is the lady, she can't do anything. But she was having the zeal of doing the hard work. So the person who is having the zeal of doing the hard work, he can get success in his life. Definitely he will get. So children, from these persons, what do you get? You should get the lesson from these persons that you, with the hard work, you should get the success in your life. So don't you think nothing is impossible? Everything is possible. But how can you get the possibility? With the hard work. Okay, so always you should do hard work, children. So that's it, children. I'm going to wind up now. We will meet in the next video. By that time, take care. Goodbye.